Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can enable dark mode for the apps which support. I know that nowadays the smartphone brands have been including the dark mode in their system, but some of the devices like Realme 3 has still not got those updates. So yeah, I'll show you how you can enable those. Users need to install a app called dark mode. I'll give the link in the description, so don't worry. Just open it and click on night mode. It's that easy. That's it. So let me turn on my data. So Instagram supports dark mode, so Instagram is on dark mode. I'll show you if it is on day mode, Instagram will be normal as usual, but on night mode it is on dark mode. Yeah, it saves a lot of battery and the strain on eyes will be less. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll give the link in the description, so check it out. This was it for the video guys. I keep it short, simple, straight to the point, no other things extra. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. That's it.